quick look at the first 30-40 seconds of the men's Open final from the Euros last year, England-Wales. So just look at the England defence. Let's play it through first. Okay, so we just look at that first touch and go back slightly, sorry. Just play again. Okay, so look at that touch being made by that middle. One thing we'd be talking about, the separation. So look at the separation, the distance between all those defenders and that defender making the touch. That's one thing we're going to be working on again and again. Same again, next touch. Look at those defenders straight away getting back on side as that touch is being made. The same as we come up to the line. Look at that, as that touch is imminent, look at these defenders all getting back on side onto the line and on side now.